In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best The Wine Caverns discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser right here, and you'll have to search for The Wine Covers discount promo code. Right here, select this very first website, which is called waitress.com. And as you can see, we have right here a list with some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this 25% discount right here, all you have to do is select copy codes from right here. And this is the promo code. You can copy this one and you can apply it on your next purchase so that you can get that discount. Also, scrolling down a little bit, we have this website which also has a variety of promo codes that you can use. So, for example, if you want to get this one with $10 off, which is also a top code, all you have to do right here is just select show promo code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can copy this promo code from right here and apply it on your next purchase so that you can get the discount. Also, this coupon, as you can see right here, is verified, so it's working 100%. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.